Tifu renting a movie on the smart TV at the cabin we were renting. 2 points of order. 1. Obligatory. This happened yesterday. 2. This may be more of a foo for someone else. Needed some relaxation. So we decided to rent a cabin on a lake for the first time, not our usual vacation destination. To unwind and unplug for a few days. We were staying in a cabin which had a smart TV. But the wireless internet wasn't working for the first day. So in the evening, we just watched standard cable TV. No big deal, as we were there to unplug anyway. Come day 2. However, the wireless was fixed and working. And after a long day of fun in the sun, we were ready to wind down for the evening with a movie. With the smart TV features back in the game, we decided it might be a good night for a movie. We fired that bad boy up. 32 inches insignia. Found a movie we were interested in watching and bought the rental for 48 hours. I was fully expecting to be prompted to enter my account credentials before watching the movie, in order to pay for the rental. Yeah, that didn't happen. The movie just said it was bought and started to play. It was at this point I realized the foo. A previous guest must have put their credentials into the smart TV and never logged out. I have to wonder how long they've been signed in, and how many movies they've inevitably paid for since they were there. So, we did what anyone would do. We enjoyed our free movie. Then, after we enjoyed the movie, I logged Jessica out of the TV. So, Jessica, if you're out there, and you DM me the movie I watched yesterday, and where I stayed, I owe you some money for the movie, 'cause you effed up. Avoid your personal foo by logging out of your accounts on a public TV. Not all places are sophisticated enough to do it for you. Happy trails, folks. TL. Doctor rented a movie on vacation, but previous guest was logged into their account on the smart TV. Free movie for us. Logged them out from their foo. After we watched the movie they paid for.